Are you thinking about buying or selling in Kingston, Oklahoma? Well, this market has shifted. And whether you're a buyer or a seller, you need to know how to react so you don't leave your money sitting on the table. Plus, as always, stick around to the end of this video because I've got a fun fact about a massive development that's rapidly changing the future of Kingston, Oklahoma. Okay, so let's start with the numbers. 124 homes sold in 2024 in Kingston, Oklahoma. That means properties are still moving. We're in a much different market today than we were last year. Buyers have more time to make decisions, and sellers have to work a little harder to stand out. The average home price sold at $293,492, and that's a solid number, proving that homes in Kingston are still holding a strong value. So if you're a buyer and waiting around for prices to drop, that might not be the best strategy. And if you're a seller, pricing it right from the start is more important than ever because buyers are getting more selective with their decisions. Now let's talk about price per square foot. $162 was the average in 2024. That's a key indicator that home values in Kingston are appreciating. For buyers, this means real estate here remains a great investment. And for sellers, it's good news because buyers are still willing to pay for the right home, but they're looking for quality and your competition is growing. One of the biggest shifts we're seeing at this time is the number of days it takes to sell a home. As we ended 2024 and rolled into 2025, the average number of days on the market for homes that sold were 108 days. That's a major shift from the fast-paced markets we had seen in previous years. So, sellers, this means patience is key. Overpricing your home or failing to market it correctly could leave you sitting on the market while other homes sell. And for buyers, this is your opportunity. If a home's been listed for a while, there's a good chance you could negotiate for a better deal. And here is the biggest stat of them all. Kingston is now sitting on 9 months of inventory, and that means we are officially in a buyer's market. Buyers now have more choices, they have less pressure, and more negotiating power than they've had in the last few years. For sellers, this means your competition is high. The homes that look the best, that are priced right and marketed aggressively, are the ones that will sell. The rest, they're going to sit a while buyers take their time making decisions. But here's why the Kingston real estate market has a bright future. Have you heard about West Bay Casino and Resort? It's already drawing in a lot of visitors, bringing in more business and entertainment to the area. But that's just the beginning. The Hard Rock Hotel and Convention Center is in the works as well, and they're wasting no time with that construction. I tell you, they are getting after it. And this is going to bring a whole new level of tourism and development to the area. And then there's Point Vista, and that's a massive lakefront expansion that's set to transform Kingston into a premier lake destination for lake lifers, vacationers, and investors alike. These projects are going to drive more demand in the future, and the Kingston real estate market is going to be right in the center of it all. So, what's the driving force behind Kingston's 9 months of inventory? None of the neighboring markets have near that amount of inventory, so there's a reason behind this. And I'm going to break this down in my next video, so make sure you stay tuned. In the meantime, if you're thinking about buying or selling in the Kingston, Oklahoma area, remember that strategy is everything in this market. Now, whether you need to make your home stand out or whether you're looking to make the right deal, I'd love to assist. So let's talk and make sure your next move is a smart one. Use the link in the comments to schedule your free consultation call today.